Hello and welcome. This is my first development log. I'm trying to build a physics engine. Okay, I wrote this. Oops, that was a new bug. It's supposed to make collisions. Okay, so there are some bugs. But today we are focusing on this bug. When you're going in reverse, it kind of, and there's a problem with the vector. So I will try to solve this today. Googled, and I found a solution. We need to normalize the velocity vector and the local direction vector, so we need to calculate if we are going in reverse. We can just, let's try to make a simple test if it's even worth trying to fix the bug like this. Yeah, okay, now we know the solution is we have to calculate. Let's see if we can solve this. I'm not that good at math, so normalize the vector. Okay, so we need to normalize, but local forward, it should already be normalized because it's 1, so maybe we don't even have to bother. Let's try that. Then we need to calculate the dot product. Okay, so how do we do this? So let's call them this, the dot product. I hope this is like this, simple like this. Then we take norm, velocity, and local forward. Yes. Now we should have this. So how do you make an inverse cosine? Is this already built in? Dot product, and I don't think I think we need a float here. Float. Let's try. Inverse. What is an inverse cosine? That's an inverse. Okay, let's try to use that. Is it this simple? Dot of V and L. Okay. Then, okay, now we have the direction in rad. I don't know. Let's just simply try. Okay. Do we need to use rod? 2 degrees. I don't know remember how this works. Okay. I don't know. Do we use multiplication? Yeah, we can always Google this later. So that, okay. Then we just take this, there, just put the minus there. Is it this simple? Let's try. Okay, it goes forward. No, no. It was not that simple. Let's Google this. Let's try to print this first. Test first. Let's move the window. will think about this for a while. Okay, I did some more reading. Using ACOS is not good. Yeah, we can see it in the debug also here. It starts with, yeah, and yeah, so it's not working. But I read that we should just check if the dot product is less than 0, then we are going in a reverse. So let's try to make this change and see if it works. Just remove this. So, okay. So then, if dot is less than 0. Yeah, let's see if it works. Okay, forward works. And reverse works. Okay, great, we fixed it now. Introduced a new bug with stop delta time to my code here in main. Oh, let's just remove that, because it was stopping too fast before. So let's just decrease by less and see if this works. Yeah, better. Okay, so now the engine braking is less, but let's try. Yeah, that is better, much better. There is no limit to the acceleration if we don't. No, we went too far. There is some future hit scanning inside the code. I think it needs to scan further in the future if we're going too fast. I need to add code, so if we are below some speed, it just stops, because in reality you can just stop if you're going slow enough, because of friction from wheels and brakes and everything. Oh yeah, this is also a bug. If you rotate, it will never touch the ground. Okay, slower now. Before it just stayed in there. We're falling out of the world. Okay, but this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed my first development log. Thank you for watching.